Yo, this is, you know what's crazy? This is crazy, man. Because a lot of Americans, the way, listen, the chants and the fans, it's okay. But they sound tired, bro. They sound like they just got out of work and they just tired. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're tired, bro. Like, it's not still like, it's not coming from here. You see what I'm saying? That's a marching band. They perform very nice. Let's see, what team is that?